Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a dash cam showdown for you.
It's the battle between the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the OMBAR dash cam.
Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front boasts a 1080p Full HD resolution, providing outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision.
Plus, it has a super large 3-inch IPS display, so you can see every detail as clear as day when playing back those crazy road moments.
Alright, let's talk about driving at night.
It can be a real nightmare, but not with these dash cams.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front features Ultra HD night vision capabilities. With its f1.8 large aperture and advanced technology, it ensures crystal clear recording even in low-light environments.
Say goodbye to those blurry, unidentifiable blobs in your footage.
Now let's dive into the functionalities of these dash cams. The BOOGIIO dash cam front is a powerhouse. It comes with a G sensor that saves video evidence of collisions, loop recording that automatically overwrites unprotected files, and even motion detection that starts recording when it detects movement.
Talk about being prepared for anything.
Alright, let's talk about the price tag. The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes in at a budget-friendly $89.
That's a steal for a dash cam with such impressive features.
Plus, it even includes a 32GB SD card, so you're good to go right out of the box. Overall, the BOOGIIO dash cam front has received positive reviews for its high-quality video, ease of installation, and useful features such as loop recording and motion detection. It is recommended for personal or fleet use due to its reasonable price and good value for the money. On the other hand, the OMBAR dash cam has been praised for its exceptional video quality in 4K resolution, wide-angle lens, and reliability. It is considered a reliable investment for any driver. And there you have it, folks.
The showdown between the BOOGIIO dash cam front and the OMBAR dash cam. Both of these dash cams are top contenders, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, always do your research before making a purchase, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more unbiased product comparisons. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.